merong lake, at merong bahay na pangbombahan. Bakit bombahan? Good
Morning!
Jobsters!
Good morning, Jobsters!
Jobsters, today is Friday at huling araw ng week. At kapag Friday, syempre, ano ba kapag Friday? Oh, TGIF. Thank God it's Friday. Hey, nawiwili akong kaganito. It's 8:29 na ng umaga dito pa rin sa Singapore. And as usual, kailangan kong magmadali para pumasok dahil before 9, kailangan nasa opisina na ako. Always make someone smile, mga Jobsters. Sana mapangiti ko uli kayo dito sa vlog na to. Kung first time nyo ako napanood, ako po si Jubil Manabat and this is my vlog. Welcome na welcome po kayo lagi dito sa vlog ko. Anytime, anywhere, anyhow. At dun sa mga laging nandito, maraming salamat. Lahat ng nakaka-absorb ng positivity ng vlog na to, maraming salamat mga Jobsters. So balikan ko kayo mga Jobsters after ng work.
Many hours later.
At nandito na ako sa bahay. 9:42 na ng gabi. Dito pa rin sa Singapore. At pansinin nyo, medyo mapungay na mata ko. Kasi gabi na, medyo inaantok na ako. Pero hindi ko kayo bibiguin sa vlog na to. Ganun pa rin energy. At ganun pa rin good vibes. Good vibes pa rin. Good vibes and energy. Yan lang ang panlabang ko dito sa vlog na to. At sana ma-absorb nyo yung positivity. And ano ba nangyari? Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo mga Jobsters yung kaganapan kahapon. Well, kahapon supposedly is mag-vlog ako pero hindi ako nakapag-intro and so actually wala naman akong balak mag-vlog talaga kahapon kasi we're doing a Recce. Ano ang ibig sabihin ng Recce? Hindi si Ricky Martin, ha? Recce. Gina-joke ko sarili ko, nag-iisa na lang ako dito. Kung nagtataka kayo kung nasaan si Irene, nandun po siya sa kwarto at nanonood ng mga videos, mga vlogs. So, ano nangyari kahapon mga Jobsters? Well, nagpunta kami dun sa isang lugar kasama yung mga katrabaho ko. Nag-ready kami kung saan gaganapin namin yung team building. So, magkakaroon kami ng team building next month. So, I'm part ng committee. And ito yung nangyari.
Flashback.
Mga Jobsters, dito na kami sa Hot Park. Mga kasama ko. At imimit pa namin yung iba namin kasama. Stairway. Bababa. Nice. Infinity pool. Nice! Long Garden City. Malawak yung park. It's a treasure hunt hiking. Parang gano'n yung magiging team nung sa park na to. Maraming puno, malilit. Where are we? So from here, going to here to meet them. Nice playground. First time ko rito mga Jobsters. It's not free, it's 500. For 4 hours, we have to pay around 450. Pasensya na kayo kung nag-English ako mga Jobsters. Puro banyag ang kasama ko rito. We are expecting around 120 for the team building event.
We set the finish line at there. So
Hindi ko muna iba-vlog kasi pinag-uusapan namin yung program. At ayokong may makapanood na sasali dun sa program na malalaman ko ano yung pinabalak naming games.
10 seconds later.
Time check, it's 4:25 na ng hapon. Dito pa rin sa Singapore. Dahil nga sa mainit. So may maliit na problema. This place and yung place dun sa likod, which is an open area na dapat i-rent namin, is nakabook na for that day. We have to think something else. It's either we move the date or we find a new place. This place is called Golden Garden. Yun yung place na kanina nandun kami. Ito yung may area na shaded area. Ito yung mga ibang way. At merong lake dito. Kaya medyo malamok. Parang stagnant lang siya. Hindi siya running water. At merong bahay na pangbombahan. Bakit bombahan? Kasi tawag sa kanya is pump house. Yan ang bahay na bombahan. Ngayon is naglalakad ang grupo papunta sa hindi ko alam kung saan. At kailangan magsalita ako ng English. At may kasama na akong Pinoy. Yay! Si Patrick. Ay. Where are we going? We're going where?
Go where? Yeah.
We're going where, Grace?
Hi.
Grace.
I don't know.
You don't know?
To directly ask them.
Seriously? But my shoes. You can walk first. I don't want to walk there.
Oh, shoes.
Yes, of course. That's why. Is it okay to be there? Later someone will shoot you. You're trespassing. Oh. Sapatos ko, baka maputikan. Mali ako sinuta sapatos. This is the place. And don't tell me they just do the roundabout. I'm not doing live.
I thought you were live. Why you don't do live?
Data? Data issue? Hey, nice umbrella. It's like a mushroom, Colorful mushroom.
Where are you going to put me? YouTube today.
Of course.
copyright.
Like and subscribe. Copyright?
Yeah, copyright.
We got copyright. It's my own video. Hey.
Face only.
Don't worry, I will blur your face every time you have. Hey.
Face also,
You blur your face? Oh, I'll put something on your face also. Don't worry. Grace has been on my vlog before, so no problem. Hey. Therapeutic garden. Nice. May table, may chairs, may puno. At syempre may buggy. Buggy ba tawag dyan, pre? Anong tawag dyan? Golf car? Whatever. Anong tawag dyan? Kung anong tawag dyan mga jobsters, comment lang kayo sa baba. It's like a traditional, this place is like a traditional garden or something. Hindi ko alam. Pero we're going in. There's an old bike, tinubuan na ng halaman. And hindi ko maipaliwanag sa inyo mga jobsters kung ano to. Pero I let you view as it is. Sinasama ko na rin kayo. Okay. Siguro ito yung mga lumang bahay dati. Dahil may doorknob, whatever it is, door lock, may mga pictures. Nice. And the first computer ever, Abacus. Hey! Init! Init! Hindi pa ako nakapagdala ng damit. Dapat may pamalit ng damit eh. Hey! Okay. Nagbalik tayo dito sa infinity pool. Hey! Prenup. It's a prenup, right? Yay! It's a prenup. There's the photographer and... Yeah! What? I'm vlogging! What? Thank you. What? Like this? 1, 2... Nice. Hey. Hey. So this time where are we going, Ray? I don't know. What the? Another couple. Hey, there's a lot of prenup here. So means this place is nice for prenup. See the photographer? How bad the photographer is. Hey. Hey. Oh, nice! Is that the White House? It's the White House! Donald Trump! So now we are crossing this bridge. Yan yung mga paa nila. At ito yung baba. Yung sa ilalim namin is yung highway. We pass through some highway using this bridge to cross the other area, which I don't know where we are heading.
You did not have to explain.
Oh, you don't know this Black Life?
No, I don't know what's that.
Oh, see? Basically mga jobsters, naglalakad ako dito sa mga maliliit na parang mga bakal, which nakikita namin ang baba. Kapag nahulugan ka ng barya rito, basically wala na yung barya mo. Woo! Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Give way, give way. See? Good for exercise also. Hey, so cute! There! Not you. Yeah. Gotcha! Oh man. Hey, Penny, there's a squirrel! Am I loud?
Yeah, very loud.
There's a shortcut here. Yeah, can I? Hey. Yeah, it's a stairway. Yeah.
Go where?
Go upstairs, man. Okay.
Shortcut.
It's a shortcut. We will surprise them by attack. Ooh, actually it's a shortcut. Nandaya kami. Naglakad kami dito sa shortcut at malamang yung ibang team is gawin ganun din. Actually, it's quite tiring because there's so many steps. We are almost there. Woo. What the? Come on. Kami nauhuli kanina. Ngayon, kami na una dumating dito kasi may shortcut dun sa baba. But ilang steps yun, pataas ang kailangan naming hakbangin. And yeah, the rest of the team are here. Hey! Woo! Hey! Hey! We are fast. Yeah, we fly.
Yeah, fly.
We fly using that stairs. Yeah. So we're starting our walk again, and this time where we are going. I'm always asking the wrong person. Damn it! What the? Wait.
Who wants to go?
What's that?
Sky Park.
Sky Park.
Yeah.
Okay, then we go Sky Park. Since we are here already. Or wait, you go first, then message me if okay. Hey. Whoa, nice. Hey, this one good in headstand yoga. Yeah, you
stand here. I take photo for you.
Yeah. Hey,
Good idea.
the place is nice. Woo.
Can you stand there? Hey.
Hey. You understand?
Hey, are you sure? Hey.
No, I'm just kidding.
A few inches later.
Oh my god. So we're going bridge again. So we are going to a wooden bridge
Yes.
designed like a wave.
Yes.
And it's called Henderson Wave.
Yes.
Hey. Still have energy? Hey.
太逗了。你一般去哪里出差？
对，
那一天你出差吗？
Lumpia daw pre. Shanghai. Oh, grabe.
Yan ang tatahakin pa namin. Oh, man. Hindi ko alam kung saan papunta. Sumusunod lang kami sa kanila. Alam ba kung saan papunta yan, Pat? Tapos pakyat pa. Kung sana puro pababa. And we are here on Henderson Wave. Hey, this is nice. Hey, see the length of the bridge. Oh, the breeze is nice. Sarap ng hangin mga jobsters. Woo! And as usual, taking photos for herself. Hey, syempre hindi lang photo ang pwede mong gawin dito. Pwede ka rin mag-jogging at pwede ka rin palipad ng saranggola as tulad nila. Hey! Andito na kami sa taas. Tingnan nyo kung gaano kataas, jobsters. Tingnan nyo yung bundok na yun. Halos kapantay na itong bridge na to. And yeah. As usual mga jobsters, dito sa Henderson Wave, ipapakita ko ano ang dapat makita. Buildings! Naglalakad ng mga tao, mga bata, mga nagsiselfie, mga nakaupo, mga nagpipicture. You can see the end already. Henderson Waves. Hey! Hey! Malapit na po kami sa katapusan. She's tired, they are tired, and I'm Jubil. Hey! We're not going up? Seriously? It's the bell of happiness. Sige, nakita ko para sa jobsters. Hey! Hey! Bell of happiness. Hey! Kampana ng kaligayahan. Hey! Ang ganda ng place na to, mga jobsters. Restaurant sa taas. Sa baba may restaurant din. A little water something. May small stage. I think this one is for wedding occasions. Hindi ko alam kung pwede ako pumasok. Kasi tingin ko hindi. Pero I just show you the place, mga jobsters. Overlooking with the restaurant. At nga sa taas. Yeah. Ooh, the love bell. I think so. Hey. And I assume ito mga bell or mga kampana ng mga couples. A lot of bell. Hey, that's why they call bell of happiness. Hey, steps, 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 steps ulit, steps. Hey, hey. At iniiwan na nila ako. Nasaan yung mga kasama ko? Ito yung place, yung cable car, isa sa mga cable car place na magtutour papuntang Sentosa. Faber Peak, cable car.
End of flashback.
Ay, okay. Yan na pala kayo. Yan mo kasi nagsasalita. Oo nga naman. Camera yung car ko, hindi naman magsasalita yung camera. At ganun nga mga jobsters, nawalan ako ng baterya, nalobat yung kamerang dala ko, halos lobat na rin yung phone ko kasi take ng pictures. At yeah, medyo nakakapagod. So magkakaroon kami ng follow-up meeting regarding sa Reiki. So today mga jobsters is Friday, and today is a shout-out Friday. So as a way of shout-out, hello mga jobsters, I'm doing a voiceover kasi gusto ko lang ipaliwanag sa inyo na habang ginagawa ko tong video to, may karagdagang content akong ginawa which is YouTube tag at yung mga shoutout ng mga nag-comment dun sa last video ko. Pero nung during editing, na-realize ko na napakahaba pala ng mga footages na nakuhanan ko during the Reiki. So, hindi ko muna ipapalabas tong shoutout and probably idadagdag ko na lang tong content na to dun sa susunod na vlog ko. And we'll do more shoutouts at that time. Anyway, yun ang reality ng vlogging. At balik na uli sa normal vlog. Bro, peace. And that was it mga jobsters. Maraming salamat sa pagsama uli dito sa vlog ko. Always make someone smile. At sana napangiti ko uli kayo dito sa vlog ko. At dun sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe, please subscribe. Sige na. Lapit na tayo mag-1,000 mga jobsters. Just let me know mga jobsters kung may gusto kayo ipagawa, i-challenge, itag, itanong. Just let me know on the comment section below. At hindi ko na sasabihin na i-like nyo. Nasa inyo na yan. Basta ang importante, napangiti ko kayo. And as always, this is how this vlog ends. So balikan ko kayo mga jobsters after ng work. Then doon ko itutuloy yung vlog. Aray.